In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox to your GoHighLevel order form. If you've ever wondered how to enhance your form by giving your users a simple way to select options or agree to terms, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and walk through each step to achieve this smoothly. First things first, you want to make sure you're on the GoHighLevel dashboard. Navigate to your GoHighLevel account and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which is the starting point for all the magic we're about to create. From the dashboard, look towards the navigation panel and click on Sites. This is where all your online pages live, and it's where we will locate the form you want to enhance with a checkbox. Next, within the Sites section, you need to click on Forms. This step is crucial because it's where we're going to find the specific form that you'd like to modify. Once you've clicked on Forms, you'll see a list of all the forms you have created. Look for the builder. Clicking on this will take you into the form editing screen. It's here that you'll make changes, adding extra elements and customizing them to fit your needs. Find the form titled Form 0. This is your form that we're going to work with. If it has a different name, adjust accordingly, but for our example, it's called Form 0. Now that you're inside the form, let's really get to work. Locate the option labeled Checkbox. It's typically found on the left side, listed among other form elements you can add to your existing layout. Once you've found it, click on the checkbox option, but clicking isn't enough. You need to click and drag the checkbox into your form. You can choose exactly where on the form you want it to be. This drag and drop functionality is super handy for easily customizing your forms without needing any coding skills. And there you have it. Your checkbox is now part of your form. But wait, we aren't finished just yet. It's important to remember to click on Save. It's the final critical action that ensures all your hard work isn't lost. You'll typically find the Save button towards the top right corner of the page. Once you've saved your changes, your form will be updated and ready to go live with the added checkbox functionality. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've not only enhanced the functionality of your form, but also made it more interactive and user-friendly. Thanks for following along, and until next time, happy form building!